guys, really excited today. I got the KFC hot honey chicken tender box. I saw these being advertised, the new hot honey tenders. So I got the fries and I just had to try it because, you know, I had the hot honey chicken sandwich at Firebirds, so I got to see how it measures up. And I really like the Mike's Hot Honey Utz chips. So I'm just a big fan of the flavor. Gonna see, here's what it's looking like. See how they're hitting. Oh wow, so they're really doused. I just can't really tell, but there's a lot of honey and whatever it is on the tenders. So then we got the biscuit. All right, let's give these things a try. Get the tender. Pretty solid chicken. Can definitely taste the honey. There's like a tiny bit of spice flavor, but not much. Try it again. Okay. Yeah, it's mostly just honey, which isn't bad. I love honey. Chicken is moist until it's fresh. That did come pretty early today, so it hasn't been sitting around all day, which is good. Get a bite of the biscuit. I will say KFC biscuits are top tier. I'd say they're better than Popeyes. That's just my opinion. You might be mad at me for saying that, but it's the truth. They're softer, butterier. I think they're just better. But alright, I gotta give these things a score. So I was expecting a little bit of spice, but there's just none. It's just all honey. So with that, I would give them a 7.4. Pretty solid. Not blowing me out of the water.